Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete multiple emails in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Yahoo Mail app on your MacBook or laptop. Once you open your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is simply tap on or select the emails that you want to delete. So once you select several or multiple emails that you want to delete, simply hit on the delete icon. So once you do this, your emails will be deleted in once, or if you want to undo it, then hit on the undo option as well, and the deleted message will be back on their places. So following these prompts, you can select as many emails you want to delete in bulk and clear your Yahoo Mail storage. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.